Hello, this is me, Saurav Avasthi, English faculty of Mount Literacy School. And today we are going to start with the topic Iswaran the Storyteller, which is the third chapter of Moments in English Literature. Okay, so now we are going to start the summary of the chapter, which is about two characters. One of them is Iswaran, the one who is going to be the speaker, the one who always used to create many different type of stories, and another one was his owner, or we can say him the master, and the master's name is Mahendra. Okay, so let's begin with the story of Mahendra and Iswaran. Okay, let's begin. Here, Mahendra was a junior supervisor at a firm which required him to travel and oversee different construction sites. Mahendra was a man of simple needs. Here, because of this, he could adapt to a variety of conditions. Iswaran was Mahendra's cook and he always followed him everywhere, wherever Mahendra goes. He cooked delicious food, ran a tidy and efficient household, and could tell the most entertaining stories to Mahendra after work. After completing his day's chores, Iswaran would have his lunch. After lunch, Iswaran would read for some time before taking his nap. From his favorite Tamil thriller novels, Iswaran learned how to describe an event vividly and to effectively capture his audience's attention. So, whenever Iswaran would narrate a story, he would work in suspense and a surprise ending in order to keep the audience on their toes. Iswaran had a willing ear in Mahendra, who would sit in his cane chair and listen to his stories uncomplainingly. One of the stories he narrated was of an escaped elephant. This elephant entered his hometown, smashing all the market stalls. Then he entered the school building and started destroying the things over there. The teacher and students ran up to the roof in panic. As they watched in terror, Iswaran suddenly grabbed a cane from the teacher and ran outside. The mad elephant was stamping and kicking around. So here, Iswaran was scared but slowly advanced on the elephant. As the elephant charged at him, he swung the cane and hit its third toe. Stunned, the elephant collapsed. Iswaran at this point stopped narrating and jumped up to warm the dinner. So here students, this was the first part of the chapter where we have seen that how this Iswaran is telling a story of an elephant to Mahendra and have created a suspense, and finally now by leaving the story without concluding it has gone to warm the food now for Mahendra, and right now Mahendra is sitting and just waiting for Iswaran to come back and to complete the story. So here student, this was the first part of the chapter. Now the second part of the chapter will be completed in the next video. Till then, be at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.